doing nothing else but just spending time with kids. Aishu has to chew her teeth.
Caring is caring.
Alexa, silly farts. Ma, you said ma. What happened?
I'm also going to be a tailor.
पेंटर एंड टेलर। ये बात ना मेरी बेटी की इतनी मजेदार बंदरियां नहीं बंदियां, इनका ही लिसन करना पड़ता है हमको। अब लेक्चर सुनते हैं हम रोज।
Because I'm smaller, so you have to listen to me sometimes.
तो सारे मेरे स्किन केयर खाने। Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gigi. As you can see, I have just taken a shower. This morning I did finish my Pilates. Today's vlog is about doing nothing else but just spending time with kids. Right now they are playing in that room. I am all set, all ready. Today I have ditched all my work. Today I have told my managers not to call me, do nothing, and I'll just be around Anika and Aiza. Also, अनायका की छुट्टियां चल रही हैं, समर ब्रेक चल रही है ऑब्वियसली, बट इट्स ऑलरेडी मॉनसून एज यू नो, तो हम ज़्यादा चीज़ें बाहर भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो उसको बिजी रखना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है। ऑफ कोर्स उसकी क्लास होती है कोई ना कोई, बट दैट्स लाइक हार्डली 1 hour in a day. Rest of the day we have to think of things that will keep her busy and you know उसको हमेशा entertained रखना होता है। आयजा का है कि most of the day चलो आधा दिन तो she sleeps, and then rest of the day she's either feeding or like eating or a little bit playing. So keep watching how our day goes. Let me go and check what are the kids up to right now. Hello. Oh no! What happened? Okay, no crying, no crying.
I was trying to teach you don't put in your mouth.
You want to teach her everything. Very
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
Teach her.
Yeah, teach them early.
Yes. So they do it right. Then when we get tired, we don't need to do it only. We
Okay.
get tired of doing it.
Yeah.
That's why we
Are
do
you
it
talking
now.
to me or talking to yourself?
You.
So then look at me and talk, na?
Okay.
So, Miss Aizu, what do you want to do today? Will you play with Anu Didi? Mama is also home today. Mama and Aizu will do musty today. First you chew, okay? Very important. Aishu has to chew her teeth. Oh no, oh no. Aishu? Okay, food is coming. Aishu is going to have her fruit. Tell me. What do you need? What do you need? What do you need? Mama. Kucha poochu, kuchu poochu. Anu Didi. Yes, please tell me.
When Aisha
Come here and talk to me. Don't go like that.
box of wet wipes in my room because I don't have, and one she will keep because she has 2 boxes.
You want what? Wet wipes?
Yeah, she has 2 boxes.
She doesn't want to give. She has not learned sharing. Can you please teach her some sharing?
Sharing is caring. Sharing is care.
Do you share your stuff with everyone?
मगर क्यों?
हाँ तो वो कह रही है फिर मैं क्यों करूँ? So don't teach her. You cannot preach. You have to show her. Yeah? By sharing. But you share with Aizu. That's a good thing.
How I share, you have to do like that. How I do? Okay, you do say like that. That is right. How I do.
Okay,
you
she'll take
do.
time to learn.
How I do. you
Okay. Right now she doesn't want to learn.
But
It's okay.
Because her teeth.
Acha, because she's irritated because of her teeth. You are very smart, like. Aizu, naughty girl. Anu, I have a surprise for you. Alexa, let's get silly.
Counting down to Silly Town. Are you ready? 1, 2, 100. First you wobble like jelly. Stick your tongue out and sing. Draw circles with your elbows. And point your nose at everything. Let's get silly. Shake a hand, shake a knee, get silly. 5 plus 10 equals 3. Brighten your day the silliest way. Get silly. Silly. 1. Silly tricks. 2.
What do you want?
Silly sound quiz. 3.
इधर बैठो ना.
Silly farts.
Alexa, silly farts.
Back to Silly HQ. Want to hear one more?
Yes.
Alexa, 5 silly dance party.
Take a bow.
Aiju, Baiju, Aiju, Baiju.
Look at me.
Oh, tell me what happened. You don't want to eat.
Because her teeth is a little teething, so she wants her
A little teething.
Yeah, teething for her.
Gotcha.
For her teeth.
Oh. Ooh, time. No, no screaming. Very good, Aiju. खुद ही पहन लेते हो आप तो.
It's a new one.
It's new one, yes. Teething is about to come.
Teeth is about to come.
Food time, Aiju, food
Because
time.
her teeth is coming in.
Aizu, you are eating what? Mango and blueberry. Okay. Hi. Ma, you said ma.
She was calling Ma.
Ma, say ma.
She was calling Ma.
मुझे लग रहा है आइजा थोड़ी सी क्रैंकी है. आई थिंक इट्स हर फूड टाइम एंड देन शी विल स्लीप. सो आई विल फीड हर सम फ्रूट्स राइट नाउ. एंड यस, उसके बाद माई टाइम विल बी फॉर अनाइका नेक्स्ट 2 hours when she sleeps.
Pink and purple we have to remove because I told you purple became dark.
Yeah, let's get
So
on.
pink and purple remove.
You know, I think Mr. and Mrs. Gigi, they don't know that what Anaika wants to be when she grows up. Please tell them.
Paint.
Paint? You want to be a paint?
Painter.
पेंटर. कौन सा घर पेंट करोगे आप? सबके घर हाउसेस में जाके पेंट करोगे?
Or should I paint pictures?
Oh yes, you can paint pictures. So say that, na? You want to be an artist, you said last time. What
And
happened?
I'm also going to be a tailor.
Tailor also. Painter and tailor. I'm so impressed, na?
I'm going to make your clothes.
You're going to make my clothes.
Yeah.
I hope you mean designer by that and not tailor, but it's okay. You can be whatever you feel like. You like stitching or you like designing?
Stitching.
It's tailor only. It's not designer. It's nice. Very nice, Babu. I'm so proud of you.
And I can also design if you want.
You can also design. I would love that. Yes.
But I can, if I fix, it's better. Because fixing is more nice.
Fixing things is more nice. हाँ, बनाते तो बहुत लोग हैं. Fix कोई नहीं कर पाता. ये बात ना मेरी बेटी की.
That's why we stitch.
We have to stitch, and then if there is any fault in that, then you can correct also.
Yeah.
That's
But if we fix, there's going to be a fault.
no. Don't look at mine. You do yours.
I can look if I want.
Okay.
How pretty it is.
Yeah, you can look if you. हर बात का जवाब है भाई. बेटी किसकी है? Just see how nicely I do it ना. कलर उठाती हूँ और मैजिक हो जाता है मेरे हाथों से. ये चक्कर है. Wow, and you've done green around it. Nice, I like.
Green inside yellow because green and yellow are best friends.
Green and yellow are best friends. I didn't know. I thought yellow and orange are best friends.
No. Green.
सन का कलर नहीं होता, ऑरेंज भी होता है और येलो भी होता है, रिमेम्बर? तो फिर
No, Mama. I want to tell you some boy because
you mean they match better together.
Yeah.
They are not similar. Like suppose green grass and yellow flowers on it.
yeah,
Yeah? Okay.
like
Understood. I got it. You know what? When it's something is very tiny na, you need very pointed pencil. ये घिसे हुए पेंसिल से नहीं होता फिर. When it's pointed, it's just easy.
why only red you're coloring in half? Give me colorful so it looks nice.
Colorful hearts चाहिए. मेरे को तो red hearts best लग रहे होते हैं.
But because I also need some for toilet.
अच्छा now you want to do other color or red? Red बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है मैं तो कह रही हूँ.
Pink also.
पिंक चलो मैं आपको पॉइंटेड वाला देती हूँ.
Can you guess my age, Mr. and Mrs. G?
Can you guess her age? Nice question. Mr. and Mrs. Gigi, please put in comments her age. Also, Mr. and Mrs. Gigi को पूछो कि what are you doing with your kids in their summer breaks? Of course, other than going on vacations, we have not gone on any vacation this year in the summer break. I mean, we did go to Goa, but that was a small break. That was for your birthday. And
But the other part we didn't.
yes, other part we didn't too, because Aizu is still very small, and we are still thinking कि उसको कहाँ लेके जाएं.
I know what color you can put here.
No, I don't.
Pink on the other.
No, you don't decide. I'll decide my thing.
No.
Anaiku.
Looks pretty.
No,
It doesn't look pretty like that.
I'll give you another option. I don't want to do pink. Stop it.
But it looks. It doesn't look pretty.
I know.
It doesn't look pretty. on
You are
me.
doing your style, na? Then we'll decide this is better or this.
I never
I'll
wanted
take
that.
this and let me do my thing then. You do in this. You want pink? Do it. Let me finish this one then. Now you cannot tell me which colors to
You
do.
do this.
अरे अपना आधा करा हुआ मत दो मुझे. ये कोई बात नहीं है. मैं इतनी मेहनत से करती हूँ. Don't do that.
But it's true, every drawing will look good, then it's nice. It should not look bad.
अच्छा.
If somebody doesn't like how it looks, it's not good to make like that. So you have to listen if they like it or no.
इनका ही listen करना पड़ता है हमको अब. Lecture सुनते हैं हम रोज.
Because I'm small though, so you have to listen to me sometimes.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
all the time, you ask me to listen to you.
But important things, it's fine, but other things, it's okay.
Important things are yours. I have to listen to you, or you have to listen to me in important things.
I have to listen to you.
Then it's fine. You have to listen to me in important things. ना याद रखना ये बात. If you spend one day with her, you will be so entertained. इतनी मजेदार बंदी है ये. क्या हुआ?
Bandi, what does that mean?
दिल्ली की जो लड़कियां होती है ना वो होती हैं बंदियां. बंदरियां नहीं, बंदियां. अच्छा करके दे दिए मुझे. मैं अब अपना कर रही हूँ अनायका. Just leave me alone for some time
Why?
because you have to finish this now. अच्छा ये वाले में कौन सा कलर करने वाले हो? Tell me ना.
But
Purple. ये लो.
it's a disco.
Nice. Now do the squares. What colors can I give you? I'll give you some pointed options. You can do a green. That's pointed.
Or should I just take a shower?
Yellow. You wanted yellow and green ना? Yellow. मिल गया yellow and green. Hi. Good morning. of us tonight. Bailamos. Let the rhythm take you over, bailamos. Te quiero, amor you, bailamos. Somebody else. Baby, just give me a sign, and now that you're gone, I wanna be with you.
You were talking like this.
And I can't go on. I wanna be with you. Okay, okay, okay. क्या हुआ? ये अशांति में बहुत विश्वास रखते हैं ये लोग. Okay, okay, I'll give you. She's having सौंफ, अजवाइन and जीरा water with me. इसको बहुत पसंद है. अरे गप्पू. Wait, बाबू, wait. का आ गया है fruits. She's having blueberry and
Lychee.
lychee.
I'm starting with lychee.
Yeah.
Berries.
Okay.
Berries.
I'll feed Aizu. तब तक आप खा लो अपना fruits, okay? Aizu का है feedy time. गोलू.
कुछ भी जरूरी नहीं है मरने के लिए.
मतलब I don't know baby. अच्छा let me feed Aizu. चलो अब जाओ.
Nobody is good to die.
Yeah.
They should not die.
Yeah.
But they do.
But they do.
We should let them. She can't
Aizu ma'am, you're very busy.
She sit here.
भागने का नहीं है, इधर देखो. अनायका ने पूरे पिल्लोस लगा दिए.
I'm sitting here.
Yes.
She can't go.
Yeah. She
Yes,
can't go.
it's you.
Yeah, nice. Aizu! मैं आ रही हूँ. गोलू, Aizu. इसको सारे मेरे स्किन केयर खाने हैं. Now she'll stand here. ये बेड पकड़ के देखना.
No, she couldn't put
Yeah, she'll stand. She wants to stand. एक गिरी है लुढ़की, लुढ़क गई क्यूटी पाई. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Okay, go. She's finding a way. कि मैं बेड से कैसे गिर जाऊं? चलो, let's call it a day. Okay, bye, Mr. and Mrs. Gigi. कर दो bye, Aizu.
Andu didi nahi, bye.
Say bye. Bye, Aizu. Bye. See you in the next vlog.